Hey guys, doing another unboxing. This is for Glossybox for the month of March. And I also have February's. I might squeeze in at the end of this video just to say it, just to show you guys. Because I wasn't feeling well and I didn't get a chance to do it. But I'm sure you've seen that one already. If you want to see what I got for March though, and a little bit more about Glossybox, stay tuned. So for those of you guys who don't know, which I think is probably virtually impossible, Glossybox is a $21 a month subscription, kind of like Ipsy. They're similar in some ways and different in others. You can use your own judgment. I've talked to you guys about it before, and I know some of you have kind of had like a love-hate relationship with them. I absolutely love Glossybox. They come in their standard shipping box, and inside that box is like a picture box. It's very thick. Why do I look blurry? It's very thick. I do save these boxes, and some months they come in like special designs. Like the summertime, I think I had seahorses on here, and just they customize depending on their themes usually. But this is their regular box, the pink one, and it always has their little emblem. I just like these boxes a lot. They're very cute, and you know I love the little things. It's always been the little things with Glossybox for me. So like I was saying, it comes in this nice box. It's nice and thick. And when you pop it open, if I don't pop myself in the face next time, they have their little, pretty little, I guess that's their brand. And then there's always like a bow that's coordinated with the box. And I'll have an insert underneath of the bow. Looks like that. And on the back it says, follow us. Glossybox_US. There's a whole bunch of glossy. Ooh, that focused in really good. Hats off to you, Glossies. And they have coming soon scoop. And then the inside looks like that. And then they'll have the tissue paper. I just love Glossybox. I do. Ooh. I'm going to show you guys last month's too while I'm at it. Even though you've probably seen it already. February's was really, really nice. A really, really nice box. And what I was saying about them being themed, it came like this for Valentine's Day. And it said, it's all about you. So you guys probably seen this unboxing, but I do want to keep it on my channel. Make sure that every month, every box that I get is on my channel for whatever reason, if you want to look at it later on. So I'm going to put that on this video too, and I'll probably put it in the description. Let me jump into this box though, because I'm really excited. The first thing I pull out is this massive box by Nuria. And I was talking to them on Instagram. I was super excited to try something from them. I've never had anything from them before. And this is a Rescue Rebalance Cleanser. It retails for $26 for this, and it's their full size, which is 200 milliliters or 6.8 ounces. Let's see what it says about it. I'm not really familiar with Nuria, like I said. I was talking to them on Instagram when I found out they were going to be in our box. I was really excited. So I believe, don't quote me, I think this is a Korean skincare company. Let me see. It says Rescue Rebalance Cleanser with Mandarin Orange, found in Japan. Okay. Designed to relieve and rebalance acne-prone skin, this multitasking cleanser uses the gentle astringency of Mandarin orange extract, rice water, which is rich with vitamin B and C. Vitamin B and C is used to promote daily skin firmness. It's the perfect day acne or no acne saver that properly maintains and cleanses the skin. Oh, it's the perfect everyday cleanser. One thing I absolutely love about Glossybox is they have little tips with their products. Some companies do it, not all. So the tip for this one is, apparently in Japan or Korean skincare products, they tend to practice double cleansing, which I personally started doing since I started the channel because I didn't know much about double cleansing. It does say that double cleansing consists of one cleanser to remove impurities. Usually my first cleanser is like to remove extra makeup and everything. And then a second cleanse is to balance and eliminate any residual. this would be implemented as the second part in your cleanse. So that's pretty cool. And they also, Nuria's got 15% off discount code. I'll put it down below if you want to try some of their products. They are at Nuria Beauty, Nuria Beauty. Sorry about the ambulance, you guys. I live next to a hospital. And I have my window open. All right, so that got quiet now. Sorry about that. The next thing, which we have seen a million times over and over again, is the Borogio Don't Despair Repair Strengthen Moisture Leave-In Mask. And it's in the same size we've got in other boxes. It is 2 ounces and I make these weird, oh my God. Anyway, if you didn't hear me make that noise with my mouth, you won't even know what I'm laughing about. It's $14 for this size. I've tried it before. I don't think there's a big deal about it. You guys know my hair is severely damaged from all of the bleaching I did a couple months ago and then doing it again. And I tried this when that was going on, and maybe my hair is just too damaged for it, but it really didn't do much for me. Whatever. I've never heard of this brand before, which Glossybox is known for. They give you all kinds of stuff, things you've known, things you don't know. This is by Yensa. It's a color and face tone-up primer. It says Essential Glow, 8 Super Blacks Essence in 0.24 ounces. Featured size, well, 7 mLs, whatever. This apparently goes for $15 in this size. Infused super power ingredients, this lightweight primer helps smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. It has a satin sheen finish that gives the skin a radiant look and feel while minimizing the appearance of pores. It also evens skin for a flawless application. I also have a buy one, get the second 20% off code for this company if used by May 1st. So I will put that also down below for you guys. If you haven't tried it, you can now. And if you have, let me know what you think. This is also another company I've never heard of. It's DWTN Paris. Created in Paris 11. It's a highlighter. What size is this? It says featured size is 20 mLs. Okay, and this is $25. Wow. This lightly powdered cream highlighter offers a texture for easy application with a luxurious finish. Extract benefits from botanicals like white horehound plant, help protect against pollution and harmful effects of light from screens. A highlight should always be healthy, and it suggests putting this in a foundation. Let me see. Okay, so it's like that. It came out really easy. So I rubbed it in, and I don't really see anything. I see it on my finger. So maybe if we just kind of went like that with it, it would show up more, because I'm like a big boulder kind of highlighted girl. But I can see why they would suggest putting this in your moisturizer or foundation for a little bit of shimmer. So that's kind of nice. Very expensive though. I think this is more of a natural highlighter rather than the crazy bold ones I do. The last product is going to be a giveaway. I love this company, but I have a million mascaras open right now, and I've never tried this one, so I really want to try it, but I'm not going to be selfish. I literally have like 6 mascaras open. It's Menacadar Beauty, and this is their Bloom Volumizing Mascara that retails for $29. Let me see the packaging. I wanted to see what the packaging looks like since one of you guys will be getting it. It's so pretty. It's a little twirly. Let me see. Very nice. It's 10 mLs. This is their full size. I want to see the wand. You guys I have to see the wand. Even though I'm giving it away, I won't touch it. I just want to see what it looks like. Well, that's weird. Very different. But those longer ones probably catch all the fine hairs. There is a tip here, which you girls should know already, and you're not supposed to take your wand and go in and out like you're pumping your mascara, because that introduces air into the container, which can cause bacteria. And that's also what it says. It'll cause bacteria and trap it in here. You should just put the wand down and kind of squiggle it around in there, but never just go up and down with it crazy. So that is my box for March. It's a lot smaller, but the products retail are a lot higher. They never go under 5 products that I've ever gotten. Since I've been getting their box, it's always been a nice amount. And like with every subscription, they change the amount of products according to how much the value is. So we're just going to put that aside. I want to show you guys February's box. I know you've probably already seen unboxing on here on YouTube, but this is their themed box for Valentine's Day. It's all about you. Absolutely love Glossybox, you guys. I love all my boxes. Who am I kidding? So let's look at the red inside instead of the black and pink. The insert was full of hearts. Super gorgeous. Again, $21 a month. And then they have the insert with the prices and descriptions, tips, and all that cool stuff. So they have the pretty pinkish red paper with the little sticker. And then they have white tissue paper in here. And I want to show you guys real quick. I got the Skin Chemist Rose Quartz Lip Plumper. I like Skin Chemist products. This is 8 mLs and is $32. So that's really cool. I would like to try this with maybe Skincare Sunday for a month. See how it goes. This was a big deal to a lot of girls. If you didn't know about this perfume, which I didn't, there was a lot of talk about this perfume being in the box and everybody was super stoked. And it is absolutely amazing. I love this perfume. It is Arizona by Proenza Schuler. This retails for $28 and this size is only 9 mLs. Very nice, heavy glass packaging. And I'm not really good at describing scents, so I'm just going to read to you what they say it is. It is a scent of white cactus flower, jasmine, and orange flower with Arizona perfume inspired by the horizon of the Sonoran Desert. I think it's gorgeous. The smell of this is, at first it might be a little strong for some of you guys, but as it like fades and you start to pick up all the other scents, it is so nice. So nice. If you haven't tried this, maybe you can find like little samples somewhere before you invest in something that expensive. But I absolutely love this perfume, and I know why everybody was writing a raving about this box now. All right, so I totally forgot. There was some variations with this box, and there was some changes. So I'm just going to go off of what I know right now as the initially scheduled products, and then we'll go into the variations. These are 2 packets from Hero Cosmetics. They are $5. I don't believe they're $5 a piece. I think it's $5 total. And what these are blemish patches. They're supposed to be amazing. There's 6 patches in each pack. And I have a code for it. I don't know if it'll still work because we're in March. It doesn't say. It says buy 1 box, get 25% off. I will put that down below also, and I'll make sure I put it for February, so it might not work. Sorry about that, you guys. The next thing is by Dossier, and I absolutely love Dossier's crayon pencils. They're lip matte crayon pencils. I love the formula of these. If you guys haven't tried, I'm pretty sure we've gotten this in other boxes, and you've probably all tried their pencils. The Dossier Relentless Matte Lip Crayon retails for $22. It looks like that. This particular color is Mallow, number 42. It is so creamy, and they don't turn up like you think, because if you see it, it looks like this is just popped out, right? It is a sharpener pencil. Like, you have to go down with it. It just doesn't look like it when you first get them. Absolutely love these, and I love the color. I have my moments. Now, these 2 products were not listed. We were supposed to get 2 other products, or I was supposed to get 2 different products. And I think there was a problem with, I guess maybe there was too many boxes that went out. So I think they went short. They did put a little card in here saying that there would be some replacements for equal value. So they did send a little cute card saying that they were going to be giving us equal value products. The first one is Freeman. It's the Valium dry shampoo. I'm not fond of dry shampoos at all, but that's fine because I have a great subscriber on this channel that I send them to, and hopefully I can get some more so I can just send her a nice box. I don't know the retail value of that, but I know it's a nice size and it's pretty big. So I like Freeman products. I just don't like dry shampoo. We were supposed to get a VDL Lumalayer Primer Fresh and the Manicadar Mascara, which I just got in this month. It was supposed to be in this box. So they replaced the dry shampoo, and then this is the Manicadar Beauty Step 3. It's a little eyeshadow in the color Posh. It's supposed to be a 3-in-1 contour shadow blush, but I don't see how. This is like a shimmer, sorry. Maybe I could use that for a contour, but it's not open. It's still sealed. I'll probably just throw it in like a little giveaway bag for you. But yeah, so that is February's box, as if you guys haven't already seen it on another channel, but I wanted to show you what I got anyway. Let me know what you think of March. And did you get February? Have you tried that perfume from Arizona? And yeah, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below because I miss talking to everybody. And I'm going to go off and do another unboxing. So I will see you all again real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.